Hey guys, it's a Dividend guy coming at you with another dividend investing video. First off, I want to say happy Thursday. Hopefully everybody had a greener day in the markets than me. Woof, that's a big drop. But again, not too worried about it. Fluctuation is the name of the game. I know I say that on like every video, but it's really important to stick to your guns as an investor and just keep, your motto in your head that red is a deal maker, not a deal breaker, right? I just made that up on the spot, but you get what I mean. So today we're down almost $170. For the week we're down $289. The month we're down almost $500. 3 months we're still up $12.97. For the year we're still up $22.45. And all time we're still up $2,100 or almost 15%. For the year, we're up 15%, and for the 3 month, we're still matching the S&P, so I have nothing to be ashamed of, guys. I want to know what stocks in my portfolio are going for a deal right now. So let's check it real quick. Altria, let's take a quick look. We're at 50.76. We're down 26 cents today. Market closes in about 40 minutes, so the number might change, but not a big deal. We have 98 shares, about $4,974 worth, $75 worth of equity in the stock. 45.30 is our average cost. About 30% of the portfolio. We're down $25 today, up 535 or 12.06%. Coca-Cola's 67, 17 shares, about $980 of equity. 51.10 our average cost. About 6% of the portfolio is in Coca-Cola stock. Today we're up $1.12. And total we're up $111 or 12.8%. Next we got AT&T at 38 and some change. 62 shares. This is what I'm going to bump up when the price is right. About $2,400 in the stock. 31.10 our average cost, and it's about 14.3% of the portfolio. Today we're down $26. Total we're up $465. AbbVie's at 85.26. There it is. That's the big one that's dropped. There might be another one too, but we have 60 shares, about 51.15 of equity in the stock. 72.22 is our average cost. 30.64 percent of the portfolio is in AbbVie stock. Today we're down $117. Total we're up $781. That's still crazy to me. We're down 2%, but we're up 18 total. Next, we have SKT. They are up. We have 5 shares, 82.63 equity. 15.29 is our average cost, about 5% or 0.5% of the portfolio, 0.5% in SKT. Next, we got Target. 10 shares. They're at 115.14. We have $1,100 in the stock. 87.68 is our average cost. About 7% of the portfolio is Target stock. Today we're up $12.40, about 1% and some change. Total we're up $274 or 31.36%. Then we have ExxonMobil. So they definitely are down. They're at 66.77. We're down almost $10 on this trade here. We have 29 shares, about $2,000 in the stock of equity. Average cost is $73.50. 11.6% of the portfolio is in ExxonMobil stock. Today we're down $12. Total we're down almost $200. Then we have Walgreens to finish out the portfolio today. 53.52. We're up 11 cents. We have 1 share, 53.54 is the equity, 54.60 is our average cost, 0.3% of the portfolio is in Walgreens stock. Today we're up 12 cents, total we're down $1 and some change. So overall, I'm not super worried. You can tell that AbbVie had a big drop today, and so did ExxonMobil, so that's what's weighing the portfolio down. And I've decided that the next stock I'm going to buy, I'm going to do Realty Income with $102 this next month. And then the rest I'm going to be putting into SKT. So 77, 80, 90. So I'll have about $20 and some change. So it should be enough to at least get me another share of SKT, which is awesome. I'm not sure how much I have for buying power right now. Let me check real quick because I'm not sure. Let's take a look. Right now we have 430 available. So maybe if we're lucky we can get 2 shares of it, but I don't think so. So anyways, guys, that is the dividend portfolio for today. Thank you for checking out the videos. I really do appreciate it. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, That Dividend Guy. You can also follow me on Instagram, talk to me about stocks on there. Same tag at That Dividend Guy. Love talking to fans about stock picks and different stuff like that, average costs, buying power, all that. It's all good. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to stay positive and don't let short term scare you out of the market. I'm not worried about these losses because in the long term, I'm still up almost 15%. So, losses for the up to 3 months don't bother me at all. In fact, that just means that we're getting great deals. Right now, we can get a killer deal on ExxonMobil, and I really wish I could jump on that. I don't have extra cash right now. But Walgreens is still a buy. But next month, so in February, we are going to be buying Realty Income. Hopefully, I can put some cash into the market this month, or by the end of February. I want to be putting more money back in. So we'll be buying Realty Income, and then with the leftover dividend money, we'll be buying at least one share of SKT. So remember, guys, hit the subscribe button. Stay positive. Don't let short-term fluctuations scare you out of the market. Be in this for the long term. I'm hoping to be invested in the stock market for 40 plus years. Stocks will change. Opinions on stocks will change, but my long-term goal is the same. I want to live off of dividends. That's the goal for this portfolio. And right now we're generating, 50 plus bucks a month. So I'm really excited about it. If you want to join the journey, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you don't miss any updates for my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. It means the world to me, and I do really appreciate all your support. So Friday's the end of the week. I'm excited about it, and I'll see you tomorrow with another dividend investing video. Take care, guys.